remembrance on the last Sunday of the month, July 28th, we have the joint anniversary service. Come before 9 o'clock. There will be no Tagalog, no English, but just one joint service at 9:30. I asked you to come at 9 o'clock because you know to be combined, two congregations in one service. Expect that it will be on a standing room basis only. We are preparing the mezzanines so that we can accommodate more people. So that you all feel comfortable. Our speaker on that Sunday will be none other than Parties Broadcasting Corporation President, Brother Dan Andrew Pura, who will be our guest preacher. And in the evening, we are going to have a revival night. That is for our vesper service on the 28th at 6:30 in the evening. None other than Reverend Alan Asuncion, who will preach on that evening. So those of you who came in the morning are also asked, very much enjoy to attend our vesper service. It will be truly an experience you will not easily forget. So, children will have a puppet show. As you see in our insert, there will be a puppet show on the 28th at 9 a.m. So it will even come before our joint service on that day. Okay? So, I'd like to still make other announcements that we have, aside from the puppet show. We asked you to pray for some members of the church. Like Evelyn now, she is now in St. Luke's. She's still recovering from her operation, so let us definitively say, everybody's there next Sunday. It is going to be our birthday. We are preparing special envelopes for you so that we can bring in or put in our birthday gift because it is the birthday of our church. Rather than us expecting gifts from nowhere, from wherever, we are supposed to give a gift to the church. It is the 72nd birthday of Coming Church United Methodist Church. There be an announcement from our young people. Yes, please come in.
Later we will be having our district youth fellowship at Tala United Methodist Church around 1:30 p.m. So if you want to come with us, let's gather at the junior chapel at around 1 o'clock. And we will also have our second activity next Sunday entitled Feelings On. So I hope you guys come.
Let us prepare our hearts for the sharing of the peace. Psalm 133 says, how very good and pleasant it is when you can live together in unity. It is like the precious oil on the head, running down the